Meet this year's Nature Conservation Award finalists, sponsored by the Ford Wildlife Foundation. The Center for Rehabilitation of Wildlife, CROW, is on a mission to rescue, rehabilitate and release wildlife. Pioneering wildlife rehabilitation in South Africa, their dedicated team consisting of both staff and volunteers aids over 3,000 orphaned, injured and displaced animals annually. Since 2003, non-profit organization Grootbos Foundation has been dedicated to conserving the Cape Floral Kingdom and empowering local communities. Their vision and mission revolve around preserving this unique ecosystem while creating sustainable livelihoods through various initiatives like ecotourism, enterprise development, sports and education. A Tale of Two Leopards is a visionary partnership project launched in June 2021 between the Cape Leopard Trust and the Endangered Wildlife Trust. The project focuses on the conservation of two iconic threatened leopard species, the highly endangered leopard and the western leopard toad in the Overberg. The 2023 Ecologic Awards. Vision an ecological world.